Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions, and in this super quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a snow overlay to your frosty winter ice-kissed images using the LSP Ice-Kissed Winter Photoshop Actions. You can watch the other tutorials for the full editing set, including how to get these gorgeous winter tones into your image. In this one we're just going to be a few seconds. I'm going to show you how to add the snow. So if you've watched the other tutorials, you will notice you have the moving snow videos included. There are tutorials dedicated purely to this if you want to add that moving snow to your image. In the other tutorials as well, you will have seen how we add the paint on snow layers here by clicking on the paint snow. So you can click to paint on with brushes basically here. You click it, a brush is created for you, and you can literally just paint that snow on. So I'm just going to grab a brush, set to white, and we can just paint the snow on our image. But what if you want a kind of an in-depth snow overlay? Well, we can do that. So we just get rid of these. If you own the set already, you'll know this is a new feature. If you've just got Ice-Kissed, hello, welcome to the family. So in this Add Still Snow to Your Image section, you click here, LSP, Apply a Snow Overlay. New for 2023 and beyond 2024, 2025. So please make sure first when downloading these, any of the overlays, the videos, the actions, anything like that from the website, that you unzip and extract, otherwise Photoshop won't be able to access. You click this, it says a window will pop up, you locate the LSP Still Snow overlay you'd like to add and hit place. You resize the black background to cover your image. So let's go ahead and do that. So here are the still snow overlays. If your image is still zipped, a .zip file, you're going to need to unzip that because look, if I double click this, Photoshop won't be able to do it. So we need to go on here, make sure you've extracted them so you can actually see the JPEG files, and you can choose one to add to your image. Hit enter and it's done. Let's go and do another one. Let's do a few of these just to show you how quick they are. If it comes up too small, you can just resize by dragging out the sides of the boxes and hit enter or double click. Let's go add another one. So I'm just layering these up. You can add lots for a very snowy effect, or you could just add a few, and you can also mix and match these with the brushes. So if you want to play a brush, one of the snow brushes, you can just mix and match this as well in certain areas. But you see here the overlays already have a lot of depth to them. So that's another bonus included with the Ice-Kissed Winter. You can go ahead and watch the other tutorials to learn how to use every section included in here, including add winter to the scene, adjust the winter scene, adding winter brushes, winter skin retouch with the eyes, skin, the tones, adding the snow, adding the moving snow, and then added the finishing actions such as dramatic vignette, contrast, black and white, and Facebook frame resize. So happy editing. I hope you enjoy using these. You can get these over on the LSP Actions website over at lsp-actions.com. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.